Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And it's in the newspaper of today, Tuesday, October the 24th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left. Yeah. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic number 7329. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. The hard ones has 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Double the numbers, yes. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku. We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, there, single box, always a 1. Here, a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, no dual boxes here. Next question, triple boxes. I see here, triple box, there, triple box. The 1 is already given, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Here, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. Alright. Next question, quadra boxes. Do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? Let me check. Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Next question, do we have no quadra boxes? That means that my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. But also in this T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Okay. More T shapes. Yeah, another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then. The next shape, how about this L shape? rotate it. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Do we have more shapes? L shapes in this puzzle? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. Come on. Yes. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Oh! Missed this L shape. Rotate it upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Overlook this one, yes. So the total of shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. No 1 here. In this T shape, we need a 1. This box can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If we place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then, this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Then we need a 2 in this W area. No, we have a 2 here. We need a 3 in this W area shape. Could be here, could be there. Okay. And now, these 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3, so 3 could be here. Could be there. Alright. Okay. Yeah. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, and is connected with that box should be 2 and a 4. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. Should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be 2. One box left in this area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be. Oh no. Well, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 supposed to be here. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Then, yeah. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Think. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Need a 4, need a 5 here. Come on. 1, 2, 2 to 4. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 is left in this area. For number 5 is connected with that box, so we also have 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the 2 to 4, 2 to 4. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here. Oh, well, we have another 5 there, so it can be a 5 here. Only place left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. For the 5, so 1 is left in this area for number 1. We have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 to 4, 2 to 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 to 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 to 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Let me see. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So I've eliminated the 5 here, so the 5 goes here then. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left of the 5 in this area should be here. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left of the 5 in this T-shaped area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should supposed to be here, and the 4 goes here. Alright, these well, 2 and 1. Well, need to wait. 2 and 1, this box is connected with that box, will be also 2 and the 1. Yeah. Let me think. Let me think. 1. Need a 3 here. 2 and a 3. Yeah. This should be 2 or a 3. This box can be 1. Should be a 2. Could be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So I placed the 2 and a 3 here. But we already have a 2 here in the same area. Can be a 2. Should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this W area, save for the 4 and the 5. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be 2? We have a double 2 there. Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Then. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3, but we already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. Overlook this 3. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now. No 2 there, 2 should be here, 3 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? We have a 4 in the same area. Can it be a 5? Yeah. Definitely 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. These are 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These. Wait. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 2 goes there. For the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on a Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.